It's your girl and welcome back to my channel. But today I'm getting up early. I'm kind of tired, so I'm going to get some coffee. So I'm going to make coffee because I do that every morning. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my fresh pot of coffee. I'm going to take you over to my coffee station to see what it looks like. Guys, this is my coffee station setup. So here I want to show you how I'm going to make a fresh pot of coffee. I got Dunkin' Donuts coffee for the first time, and this is whole bean coffee. I've never tried the beans before, but I'm going to actually blend the beans. So I want to thank my sponsor for today, which is Topsy. Okay, so it go from coffee, of course, smoothies, and I'm going to go from that to my new bar station to cocktails. Before I start doing coffee to cocktails, let's go back and let me show you what was in the box. So I'm going to unbox this product now. This is the Topsy blender. This is a 1,000-watt blender. It's strong enough to crush ice and grind your coffee beans. So therefore, if you want to make coffee, course smoothies, and also cocktails. You can crush ice if you want to make margaritas or any other cocktail. And it comes with a 24-ounce cup, and it has a lid that locks in place. So you could take it as you travel to the gym or just out and about. Okay, guys, so let's make some coffee. I have not used it yet. You know, it comes in with this paper. Okay, here's the blade that I was showing you when I unboxed it. This is 6 blades. Okay, the 2 top is for grinding coffee and cutting ice. Okay, and of course, you have your bottom. And also it has your suction cup. So when you press it down, it does a slap. So you can tell, you can hear it. Okay, suction cup. All right, that's it. It comes here where it tells you how to press the cup down, to press it, or to press it and lock it. All right, so the instructions is right here. And also you have your recipe and your manuals here. So I'll tell you how to use it. You have all these, recipes here. So you have your recipe book to mix delicious smoothies, front and back. But more girls gonna make cocktails. Okay, so we're going to get started on how to make a coffee first. Then we'll start with smoothies, crushed ice. So I can add ice to my wine that's been sitting there in my wine bar. Okay, let's see how strong it is. This is a 1,000 watts, guys. Wow. I have a NutriBullet that I made a smoothie last night. Wouldn't crush 1 ice cube. So let's see if this is going to crush ice cubes. I don't know. Let's try it. The cord itself is not super long, but that's okay because it's near my coffee pot. So let's start this. So I have some beans, Dunkin' Donuts. I have to thank my sister Emily, my bee sis, for suggesting this because I never ever had Dunkin' Donuts coffee before, not even in a store. So this is 20-ounce cup, and the measurements is on the cup. So let's do just some at a time. I'm not sure how much can go in, so I'll just do. And this is about less than a cup. All right, so let's see. We take this out. Let's see it work. So this is fine coffee, as you can tell. This is probably almost like cocoa powder. Oh, guys, this smells amazing. So I got everything. It's out. So we're gonna wash this. It's easy breezy to wash. Soapy water, and that's done. See, it does make a fresh cup of coffee. Next, I'm gonna do a berry smoothie. So I have my blueberries. I got my triple berry. I have my yogurt. And I have ice. Now, these are big chunks of ice, so I'm not sure if it can do ices this big. So we're gonna see. So I'm gonna test this. Cut the ice up to see if it works. Ready? Again, my first time. So we're gonna see. All right, so let's see if it crushed ice. And these are big, big chunks of ice. All right, let's see. I think these are too big. All right, I think these are too big. But it did crush some ice, but I think these are way too big. And I don't want to damage, you know, the machine. So I'm going to take out two. But look, it kind of may snow. I'll try these two and see what happens. So did it chop? Whoa, baby, look at that. All right, so now let's put in our ingredients. Some berries. Some fresh blueberries. Oh, I dropped the berry. I'm gonna add some yogurt. I like to stir my yogurt up. Nice and creamy. I'm gonna add a little water. And let's see. Okay, here we go again. Way too thick. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. Guys, you can stop here and drink out the cup. Okay, just twist it. You can take this to you in the gym or on the road. It's not going to leak. It's tight. It's not going to leak, you see? But me, I prefer dessert cup. I like to drink my smoothies or anything as a dessert. And a wine glass. Whoa, that was, all right, that's messy. All right, let's see. Okay, again. It'd be nice for like whipped cream. I don't have whipped cream, fat-free whipped cream, and this would be a dessert. I think that's good. So what do you think? Did it pass the test? Yes. Again, from coffee to cocktails. That's all you need. And your smoothies in between. Again, add some tequila. You will have a margarita. However you want to do it. I don't have tequila because I don't really drink. But I do have protein powder, which looks nice with here. And this could be a nice dessert. Look at all those berries. Strawberries, blackberries, blueberries. Yum. Alright guys, as your girl, I want to thank Topsy for sending me this blender to show you guys and myself. Or maybe this will help me in my 2025 goals for the year. Okay, so if we're not doing goals, do weight loss because it's January, it's almost over. It's never too late. Because I had so many weight loss goals, so many. And this would have been so handy. But if not, if your goals are over, you just want a nice cocktail, there you go. Or your morning coffee, there you go. All right, guys, it's your girls. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.